Meet the Coredy R750, your new cleaning companion that not only simplifies your life but transforms the way you maintain your home. This revolutionary robot vacuum cleaner brings together cutting-edge technology, intelligent features, and powerful cleaning capabilities to ensure your floors are spotless without lifting a finger. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover here's why you need it. Smart control at your fingertips. The Coredy R750 puts you in charge with both voice and app controls. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can initiate or halt cleaning with a simple voice command. The intuitive app lets you customize cleaning modes, adjust mopping levels, schedule cleanings, and monitor real-time cleaning status. This level of control, accessible from your smartphone, makes managing your R750 a breeze. Boost-Intellect technology. Say goodbye to the hassle of transitioning between hard floors and carpets. The R750 features Boost-Intellect technology, a game changer that automatically increases suction power when it detects carpets. With a whopping 200 PA max suction strength, this vacuum ensures a thorough and impressive clean, adapting seamlessly to different floor surfaces. Intelligent mopping system. Take your cleaning to the next level with the R750's intelligent mopping system. Equipped with an electronically controlled water pump, it adjusts water levels based on the floor's dryness and humidity without any spillage. Enjoy the convenience of a robot that not only vacuums but also mops, leaving your home pristine and completely clean. Virtual boundary compatibility. Customize your cleaning zones with the Coredy R750. Compatible with virtual boundary technology, upgraded sensors detect boundary strips, ensuring your robot only cleans the areas you want. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and control to your cleaning routine. What you get? Your purchase of the Coredy R750 comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a water tank with a mop cloth, side brushes, HEPA filter, remote control, charging dock, AC power adapter, and a cleaning tool. Please note that the R750 is an upgraded version of the R700, featuring an enhanced app and mopping function. In conclusion, the Coredy R750 robot vacuum cleaner is not just a cleaning device, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Take the next step in smart home management and experience the future of effortless cleaning. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.